Absolutely. So AI has been around for a while now, and now we are talking from supervised AI to generative AI, and we are now discussing multi-modal AI. If you remember, not too long ago, Google, who is a partner at this event, demonstrated Gemini on a YouTube clip, and it had put the entire world's imagination on fire when it had a conversation in that demo with a AI bot playing rock, paper, scissors, tic-tac-toe, and so on. That requires image, sound, text, and all of that to work in context to what that conversation is about. So for that, you need a database that can handle a variety of data types to begin with. And we are not talking about relational data, geospatial data. We are talking about JSON data, document data, key value, and so much more. And all that has to work in tandem in real time as you're conversing with that. You can't wait for a couple of hours or the next day to get an answer. You and I need the data right here, right now. And that's where SingleStore comes in. So SingleStore is a real-time database built for AI workloads. We handle not only a variety of data types, but we can execute that in real time. Why? Because most of the databases either sit as a transactional database or an analytical database. At SingleStore, we have a proprietary architecture called Universal Storage that can handle both OLTP and OLAP on a single table type, which means you and I can reason with data as soon as it lands. That brings that real-time capability and reduces unnecessary data movements across the board, bringing that multi-modal AI to the forefront of organizations and enterprises.